Six Senses has opened its fourth Himalayan guest lodge in Bhutan, Six Senses Gangtey, named the traditional birdwatching bridge. The 8-suite lodge is part of a multi-location project, Six Senses Bhutan, composed of 5 satellite lodges designed to take guests on a journey through the Kingdom of Bhutan. The site joins 3 existing lodges in Bhutan at Paro, Thimphu and Punakha. Perched 3,000 metres above the Phobjikha Valley, the lodge has a cantilevered bridge-like structure and floor-to-ceiling windows, providing guests with 180-degree panoramic views of the valley. The lodge is home to a spa, with 1 single and double treatment room and 2 suites for Swadhana, an Ayurvedic treatment which uses herbal steam to release toxins from the body. Every spa treatment begins with a ritual, where guests use a soda-like crystal to foster calmness and set positive intentions while breathing and meditating. This is followed by Bhutanese chanting and singing bowls, promoting stillness, happiness and well-being.